Okay, the question is, how can I declutter and earn cash? Well, welcome to Dhan.co.uk, the platform where your unused items can start earning you cash. Decluttering has never been this rewarding. Imagine you are in the middle of a decluttering journey, whether it's a sudden realization of the excess stuff you've accumulated over the years, or a relocation due to work or study, or simply a desire to find something you've misplaced and earn some extra cash. So now, picture how easy it would be to lend it out one-time use items like electronics, furniture, or clothing on platforms like Dhan.co.uk. It's a simple hassle-free process that can bring you both peace of mind and financial gains. By decluttering, you not only create space but also open up the possibility of earning extra cash. So this approach is not just about monetizing unused items, it's about taking control of your space and your finances. It's a practical contribution to the local economy and the environmental conservation. Every item you sell is one less item that ends up in a landfill, reducing your carbon footprint as well and contributing to a more sustainable future. It's a step towards a more organized life and a greener planet. It can also make you feel fabulous, liberated, and with extra cash. Pretty clever, right? Taking the opportunity to declutter, earn some extra income, sign up today, list your items, and start seeing them bring cash for you and your family. Just think about the financial possibilities this could open up for you. We understand the value of your items, which is why we've created a secure platform for you to transform your clutter into cash with peace of mind. So rest assured your items are in good hands. So please comment below if you need any assistance, sign it up. Bye for now and see you soon.